Yo, what's up guys? I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get Nintendo Wi-Fi connection back online on Nintendo DS in 2019. Let's get right into it. So guys, first thing you want to do is go ahead and turn on your DS. Okay, and then you'll go straight into the game. For me, I'm going to be using Mario Kart DS to test this, but you'll go down to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection, and then you'll go to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings. So you will need to configure your Wi-Fi, and it's going to need to be unsecure or WEP if you're using an original DS or a DS Lite. If you're using a DSi, you'll need to use WEP in non-DSi enhanced games. But if you're playing games that are DSi enhanced, you can use WPA. So WPA internet is not going to work on these old ones. WEP will work and unsecure will work. So basically you'll go into connection, you'll search for an access point, and you'll connect to whichever one is yours that is WEP or unsecure. So then once you're connected, go to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection match and press A. Press yes, and it'll connect to Nintendo servers. So this isn't done yet, but it'll connect to Nintendo servers, and you'll see what happens when it connects. And guys, you can see that it says that the Nintendo Wi-Fi connection service for the software has been halted. It's been halted for everything. They haven't provided this service since 2014, so you haven't been able to get online in DS games since 2014. So on the bottom, you'll press next. You go back and go down to Nintendo Wi-Fi connection settings again. You'll go to the connection that you set up, so the one that you just connected to. You'll click it, and then you'll go down to auto obtain DNS. So you see this? We're going to press no. I will leave in the description what the DNS is, but as of right now, I am writing what the DNS is. It is 172.104.88.237. Okay. Okay. And then you go down to secondary DNS, 172.104.88.237. Press OK again. Okay. And then go ahead and test the connection. See, I've got all the bars. Connection successful. So then you're going to go down here to save settings, click it. Settings have been saved. And go back. Now click Nintendo Wi-Fi connection match and press yes. And watch guys, this is really cool. I'm so happy that this works. Like, I never thought that you would be able to play on a Nintendo DS online ever again, but yeah, you can. And here it is. You can go straight into it, and you can play Mario Kart with people. You can play any game with people, but yeah, I just think that's really cool. And yeah, please subscribe if this video helped you. It'll help me out a ton, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.